Alright, hi. This is John, and this is week I don't remember of Dreams devlog. So this week I've done a little bit for Brave Eduardo, but mostly we focus a lot on Buado and our VR project. I'm probably not going to show you guys anything about the VR project this time, but for Buado, it's been crazy. We finally got our test beta deck and its packaging with us this time. We found some problems, such as the booklet of instruction is very hard to read, and the back side of the box is also I don't know what's wrong with the font, so I'll probably have to use a different font, which does not please me, but what can we do, right? But it looked a lot better than I imagined, and it was probably going to be cheaper than I thought it would be too, so that's all good news, and I hope you guys like the packaging as well. For Brave Eduardo, we made a guard, and this time the guard looks pretty nice, and it shoots. So we actually had a clip of the guard fighting a bunch of enemies, and he alone killed 4 or 5 people at once. His gun uses spells. So it looked really nice, and I think you guys will probably enjoy it too. The guard is probably my favorite now. It's the first tall bear that can fight. And thanks to Dhruv's genius programming, the AI looks and works amazingly as well. Now, the last week's meeting, we actually spent a good 4 or 5 hours. It was the longest meeting we ever had for a while. It wasn't the longest. We had a very long meeting before. But this time, this meeting, we had Dhruv just fixing things, and everybody's just waiting, holding our breath waiting. And Dhruv finally fixed the audio. So now, Brave Eduardo has audio effects. And I'll show you guys a small clip right now. So yeah, the VR stuff is happening. We're trying to get everything done by the end of this month, so that's why we had to try to do some of that. But because the Buado is working hard, I also got to talk to the marketing guy. It seems to be like everything is going on, and that makes me very happy. I just came from a buffet, and I don't know, after a buffet, everything makes me happy as well. So I'm going off topic, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
It's not often that someone comes along who is a true fan and listens to the end. You are both. You shall find us here